This is the admin console or prediction guard. This is where you will be creating, securing, and governing your AI systems. So for creating an AI system, you just have to come and click at the Create System button. There are a couple of options available. There is a quick start with some sensible defaults, so you can quickly create an AI system. Or if you want more of a custom one, like for air gaps or with advanced configuration, you can go for that option. Once you click on Quick Start, you can name your system. So I'm creating a system here, which I'll be deploying to my Azure. So I just have to click on Create System. Once that system is created, I can go in and add models to it. So if I go here, you can add private models. So we have a catalog of open source models here, vary from various providers like DeepSeek, Gemma, GPT-OSS, Llama models. There are embedding models like BG, M3, the multilingual, E5, Instruct. So you can choose which model you want to deploy. If you want to make some changes to the config, you can do it, and you just have to click on create private model, and that model gets added to your system. There are certain models we also support in our own managed cloud infrastructure. If you want to add those, even those models can be added directly to your AI system. If there are certain models which you are using right now within your Azure Foundry, you can connect those models to your system so that whatever calls you make to the model will flow through that control plane and all the governance policies will be applied to it. Once you have added your models, you can manage API keys. That is, you can create API key, you can set the rate limit, set the usage quota, and you can create multiple API keys now at a system level underneath which they will have access to all the models. Next part is MCP servers. So for agentic applications, if you have MCP servers, you can connect to them directly. If you have some custom MCPs, you can define them here so that they will be attached to your system and the governance policies will be applied to it. Once you have defined all the components of your AI system, you just have to click on the deploy button. You will get a kubectl command, which you can use to deploy the system into your Azure tenant. So you can deploy it and you will be able to see when that's deployed, your live status will change to connected. Once you have defined your AI system, you can go to the Govern tab here for applying the governance policies. So Prediction Guard is continuously tracking what are the latest risks identified by organizations like NIST, OWASP, OMB, NIST 600, etc. So you can apply those governance policies out of the box here just by clicking at Apply Configuration. Or if you want to further customize those governance configuration like PII, prompt injection, toxicity, can go into configure policy. You can select or change any of the existing configuration there, what needs to happen when a PII is detected, and you can save those changes here. Once that's done, you can go to monitoring. So basically, once you have applied those governance policies, the security alerts which are coming out of your system will come as net new SIEM events real time, and those can be connected to your existing security infrastructure like SIEMs, source systems like Splunk, Datadog, Grafana, etc. And all the logs will be in your own infrastructure. We also have analyze features, so you can analyze models for vulnerabilities like private models can be scanned for various parameters like how susceptible the model is to prompt injection, how susceptible it is to toxicity, and you will get scores on the scans you do for these models. We are also maintaining the AI bill of materials for your AI system. So at any point of time, you can come in and check for the various models what are the composition of that AI system, like what models are there, what safeguards have been applied, what MCP servers you have connected to it. Auditability, so you can at any point of time come and check like for a particular AI system what change was made by who at what particular time. You can come and get complete auditability of your AI system. Thank you.